Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Megan. Now you know, and it is the first week of spooky season. We are here to do some Halloween nails. So let's get started. As always, step one is a base coat to protect our nails and help our polish stay in place. So today we're going to be using this stamping plate. I got it on Shein. If you want to get one, it is very cute. And for the background colors, we're going to be using these three. Let me turn them around. Of course, all products will be linked in the description for you to be able to find. And then for our stamping polish, we're going to be using this black one. Can't hardly see the label, but it's that P-U-E-E-N. Got it at Walmart, but you can get it on Amazon as well. And then I'll be using this Maniology stamper and this Born Pretty scraper and the Maniology No Smudge top coat. So those are the supplies. Let's get our base colors put down. But first, we need a peel off latex tape, liquid latex, you know the stuff, to protect our cuticles. All right, now that we've got that on here, you guys are gonna have to follow along with me. I'm gonna put down this gray base color from Orly, and then I am going to sponge on some of that light purple and that orange. Look at that terrible paint job, my goodness. But y'all are just gonna have to trust the process here, follow along. Just wait. I don't know, but I have an idea about how this might go. And maybe it will, maybe it won't. That is the fun part of nail polish. Sometimes it's a mystery. But that's alright. We're here to have a good time. Quick dry top coat. Alright, now it's the trust the process time. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a orange dollop here and a purple dollop here, and then I'm going to sponge dab them. And we'll see what happens. And that's the plan. And if it's horrible, I guess that's just what we'll be dealing with. So let's try. As you guys may recall, in previous videos, I did mention that you always want to start with your furthest away nail because you don't want to accidentally stick your hand in it when you're working. So we've got that on there. Now, this is a dry sponge. Maybe I should put some top coat on it. I don't know. But let's just do that. Definitely needs some more. This might be a layer thing. I just want it to have a look. I think I just stuck my... Yes, I did. Yes, I just stuck that polish to the underside of this light. That's kind of gross, but I think we are getting something here. The purple at least is going on there in some amount of fashion. What if, well, I'm gonna say what if I let it dry down a little bit, but I don't know if it's gonna like that. I have an idea. Let's just saturate the sponge as you would normally. Stop trying to do or reinvent the wheel. We don't need that here. There we go. Yes, this first one is just terrible. Look at that. Horrible. Need to put some gray in between. Terrible, terrible. Good thing that's the practice finger, huh? And I'm going to stamp something on top of that. So maybe we won't be able to see it as much. Anyway, let's try it again. Orange. Gray. Purple. Now this next finger is a key finger, so let's hope for the best on this one. Yes, see, this is so much better. I don't know why I didn't do it like this from the first. It was so stupid. That's much better. Purple is not super apparent, but you can tell that it's there. Let's go ahead and get the rest of these done. Well, we've got something going here. I would certainly say. I don't hate it. Let's let that dry a moment and then throw another layer of quick dry top coat on there. Alright, we've come to the fun part, and so what we're going to do is we're going to work our way across the stamp from this side to this side instead of across our fingers. That way, when I scrape, I don't have to clean the plate between each one. So this is just something that I am doing to save time, and I don't know if it'll make a difference or not, but we'll see. So first we're going to do this one, and I'm going to put this on my ring finger, which it is dry enough to go ahead and get this stamp started. So let's do our first attempt to pick up. Now this one is going to need quite a bit of polish because it has a lot of space. It's not a very good pickup. Let's do it again. Let's try and put some more on. Maybe try and scrape a little lighter so it doesn't wipe too much off. Maybe. We'll see how that does. That's better, I'd say. And then we were putting that here. I actually didn't get very much of it on there. Interesting. What a choice I made, but I may put something in that gap then. So that'll be fine. Yeah, you can see the little bats. Yeah. Maybe I'll bust out some sort of little sticker. We'll see. Or maybe I'll leave it the way it is and we can just enjoy the colors. And then the next one, we're going to do this one on this finger. I'm going to try and do better being in the frame with this one as well, because I didn't realize how far to the bottom I was, but that's alright. Alright, yes. I like it. It's something. Alright, we want to try and get as much of this little castle and stuff in there as well. There we go. Yeah. It's also not super covering, but we don't want to cover up the gradient entirely, do we? Alright, so next is this one for the pinky. I chose this one for the pinky because it has a lot of coverage up in that corner where my orange looks kind of nasty. So let's do that. Goodness gracias. Yeah? Okay. That's pretty good. See the little owl sitting on the tree? Yeah? We'll get a close look at him here in a minute. And then next we're going to do this little owl for the middle finger. I actually meant to do the top one first, but I will just scrape downwards. There we go. There we go. Alright, yeah, we got a little pickup. I almost forgot which finger this was going on. Happy Halloween! You ain't gonna be able to read that. That's too small, but it's cute. And that is what is important. I'm getting polish all over the back of this, but we can clean that later. And then last, but certainly not least, if I can get enough polish on here, this guy for my thumb. Yes. I'd say that looks pretty good. My fence is a little crooked because I was trying to line up the circle and I wasn't watching the fence. But that's alright. Let me scoot this out of the way so we can have a look here. Yeah. Not too bad. Now, let's see if we can't get this latex off of here. Don't worry about stuff like this because we're going to clean that up in a moment. Alright, now that we've got all of our latex boogers under control, let's go in with a cleanup brush and some acetone to just crispen up these edges where the paint dried down a little bit on top of that latex. What are you guys thinking? I think it's pretty cute. Probably could get a little bit better up in here. Let me try. It's just so difficult since I can't hardly hold it open. There we go. Yes, I think that is very nice. So let's go ahead and use our smudge-free top coat to seal these in because these stamps are very delicate, and if you were to just try and wear them without a top coat to seal them in, they rub off and then they're just gone within a few days or really patchy looking, and it's not cute. So we seal them in with this just to give them some longevity. I do change mine weekly, and so of course next week there will be a brand new Halloween nail set with some different tools for some different fun designs. So you'll definitely want to make sure that you are subscribed so that when that video does come, you'll know about it and you'll be able to see it. It is going to be a fun month here. In about 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, we're going to do another mystery challenge, but I am going to have doubly difficulty because I have to make whatever I pull out of that bag Halloween themed, so we'll see. Got that on there. Let's let that dry for a moment. And then just one more time, a quick dry top coat, because the smudge-free top coat is not a final top coat. That is just for the stamps. You still need this because this smudge-free stuff does not dry like that. So let's throw that on there real quick, and then I'm gonna get some photos outside so that you can see what it looks like in some better lighting. Alright, so while you guys are looking at these pictures, I am going to go ahead and clean up my stamping situation. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the cleanup, whether it fits in on the screen or not, but it may. Let me try and get this a little bit tighter. If it does, then you are looking at it now, as well as these photos. You do want to just make sure that you always clean up. You should keep your plates and your stamper and your scrapers in good and clean condition so that they will continue to work and be reliable for you. Sometimes nail art is messy, and when you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. So that is that. That is clean. If you haven't seen my other videos about this tool, check them out. It is super handy to keep you from messing up your fresh nails. Please make sure you are liking this video if you did find it entertaining, informative, or even terrible. And then also make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my videos going forward. And if you want to turn on the notifications, please do. I would be very happy to have you do so. But if not, that's totally fine as well. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these nails and what you might want to see next week or in the upcoming weeks. And then also do make sure you are following me on Instagram and TikTok, because sometimes I post things over there that are not on YouTube. But that's it. Thank you again for watching my video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.